This is the performance review for week 32 of 2024, which is the week ending August 9th. Let's start by inputting the beginning and ending balances. The beginning balance would be on Friday, August 2nd. That was 24,086. And the ending balance would be August 9th. $26,535. So it was a pretty good week. My account was up $2,450 last week, which is a percentage P&L of positive 10.17%. And let's put in the theoretical trades. You can go to my website here where I update the weekly trade list every week. We copy these 5. So the theoretical gain for last week was 10.14%. So we actually outperformed the theoretical by just a little bit. And let's look at the trades for each of these symbols here. First one was Broadcom. And as we can see, there was a huge sell-off in the market coming into Monday's open because of the macroeconomic news that was there over the weekend and even before. And this was just a very good trade. So that's Broadcom. And on that one, we made 14%. Next one is American Express. Same story here. Came into Monday's open very weak, and we caught the mean reversion almost. Well, it was a very, very good trade. Same with General Electric, Netflix, and Nvidia. And we made 5% on American Express. GE was a 10% trade. Netflix was 8%, and Nvidia we gained about 14%. Now let's input the latest NAV into the cumulative tab. So as of last week, our cumulative P&L was down $1,500 from inception. And after last week, we're almost back to the peak. Now our cumulative P&L is $930, or a percentage gain of 3.63%. We went live with the strategy at the beginning of June of this year, and this is how it is. Now let's look at the equity curve over the long term, and we can see that this little piece here is the dip and the gain. So let's zoom in a little bit, going back to 2021. So this is where we drew down in the week prior to last week, and this is the nice run up we had in the last week. And if we look at the underwater graph, we can see that right now we're at a 3.16% drawdown from the previous peak. And how does it look historically? Well, this is how the underwater graph looks historically, going all the way to 1994. And yeah, here we are right here at about 3% negative. So we're coming back up to the new peak. If you would like to learn more about this strategy, weekly reversion strategy, please go ahead and visit my website. I've got the link to the page in the description box below. Thank you for watching.